Hi beautiful people, thank you for tuning in. My name is Lucy and today we are going to harvest some nettles. I am in my garden and I've got quite a few of them here, and I said I was gonna harvest them much earlier, but they grow like crazy, when you keep postponing something. So here I am finally, and I'm gonna make some nettle soup today. It is really handy to have some nettles in your garden. They make excellent liquid fertilizer, and they are really good for your compost as well. So you can chop them up and put them in your compost heap. They really speed up the composting process. Just be careful and watch out. Obviously, you don't want to put them when they've got seeds in, so you don't want to spread them everywhere. You should be also careful about where you plant them, because they can easily overtake your garden. So I've got them here. I don't mind if they spread a bit whichever direction. So this is another thing to keep in mind. And the nettle seeds later in the season, they are superfood, so you can dry them and you can put them in your porridge or soup or whatever. So they are a really good sorts of food when you dry them over the winter. And you want to wear some gloves when you harvest them. So here, early in the spring, you can enjoy them in teas, in soups, and another thing which crossed my mind when I was little, we used to live in block of flats, and I remember my dad and my mom, they were always sending me out to bring some nettles home, and what they did, they use it for their hair. So basically, uh, they made the tea and they just, spill it over their hair, and they didn't rinse it. It should be really good for your hair. And I'm thinking, I hated this as a kid, going out and bringing some nettles and stuff like that, but I couldn't say anything, when you are a kid and you were you were told to do something, you had to do it. But now I was thinking, I wanna make it for my hair as well. So tomorrow I will be washing my hair, and I'm gonna try it because I think I will have quite plenty. I've got still loads to harvest, so watch out this space. Okay, that will do. I've got more than plenty for a couple of lunches, and also for washing my hair. Another thing I was thinking of, they are really good for stuffing. So if you make some stuffing, it's really good ingredients for it. So let me know in the comments below how you use them. What do you do with them? Do you see it as a weed, or do you use it as food, and you see it as useful medicine? I am really curious to know. So please let me know in the comments below. And I hope you find it useful. Please give me a like, spread with your friends and family, spread some love, give me some comments. I'd like to find out more. And that's all from me, guys. From my heart to your heart. Bye until next time.